Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Optima session. Guys, in today's session, we are going to discuss the climate types question. Okay, every year you will find in UPSC at least one question coming on climate types. So we will see what should be our approach towards climate types. Guys, so as far as source is concerned, for climate types, you have to refer this book. You have to refer this book. Okay, GC Leong. You have to refer this book, GC Leong. You can see here physical and human geography, GC Leong. Okay, very important. Okay, this book has two parts. This book has two parts. Part one is about the physical geography. Okay, you don't need to read this part because this part is covered in NCERT properly. And part 2 talks about climate types. Part 2 talks about climate types. So as far as GC Leong is concerned, you have to only read the climate types, which is part 2 of this book. Now, what should be approach? Because there are 20 plus chapters. There are 20 plus chapters in this. So what should be your approach to cover this? So guys, what I have done is that, okay, all the important chapters, I have prepared this table. I have prepared this table. You can see here, climate types, temperature and precipitation profile, vegetation, occupation. Okay, next regions, special features. For everything, I have covered like this in one sheet only. In one sheet only. The video has been uploaded in the portal. Okay, you can go and you can watch the video. Let me just show you where is the video. So you can go and you can see this video. Okay, I'll just show you. So you can see here, Geography, Optima, Climate Types. 25 minutes video. It is already uploaded in the portal. You can watch that session. So what we will do is that, okay, we will see the PYQs and I'll exactly tell you what kind of questions have come on this topic so that we are able to handle any kind of question. So first of all, what should be your approach to prepare this section? The approach to prepare this session is to go through the 25 minutes video which I have uploaded in your Optima portal and, okay, make the table, make this table. This table will really help you to prepare the section in an easy manner, okay. And out of this also, you don't need to read each and every one. Okay, you have to read only those topics which are coming in the UPSC exam. So let us see here. So guys, you can see this question came in 2013. Which of the following is or are unique characteristic of equatorial forest? Okay, so one type of question, what they will give you, they will already mention the climate type. They will mention the climate type and they will give features and they will say how many of this belong to this climate type. Is this clear, guys? This is type 1. This is type 1 question. This is type 1 question. In type 1 question, they will tell the climate type and then they will give you features and they will say how many of the features is true for this. Okay. Next type of question, what they will give? They will give one paragraph. They will give one paragraph and they will say this paragraph is for which of the climate types. This paragraph is true for which of the climate type. This is part 2. This is part 2 of the, okay, which part 2 means type 2. This is type 2. Okay. So you can see here each day is more or less same and morning is clear and bright with a sea breeze. As sun climbs high in the sky, the heat mounts up, dark clouds form, and then rain comes with a thunder and lightning. Guys, can anyone tell me which is this climate type? Which is this climate type? So this answer is option B. This answer is option B. Okay. So you can see here, UPSC in the last 30 years, most of the options, they are putting savanna, they are putting monsoon, they are putting equatorial, and they are putting Mediterranean. These are the 4 climate types which you need to prepare, at least 4 climate types. 4 climate types. Savanna you prepare, monsoon you prepare, equatorial you prepare, and Mediterranean you prepare. Let me show you. UPSC is focusing all questions near here only. You can see here. Seasonal reversal of wind. Again, you can see monsoon, Mediterranean, equatorial. What is the answer, guys? What is the answer, guys? What is the answer, guys? Answer is option C. Answer is option C. Again, you see same options. Again, you see same options. Therefore, means what? UPSC is focusing on the, okay, again, you see Savannah region. So, what is the answer, guys? What is the answer, guys? Option D is the answer. Savannah climate means what? Alternative wet and dry. Alternative wet and dry. Alternative wet and dry. Next, you can see this question. A geographical region has following characteristics. Now, what they will give you, this is the third type. This is a third type where they will give you the characteristics. They will give you the characteristics and they will tell which above characteristics is true for which of the climate. So guys, you can see whenever you will get wet winters, it is Mediterranean. It is Mediterranean. Okay, here you see UPSC is using other options also like Eastern China, Central Asia, and Atlantic coast. Eastern China, Central Asia, and Atlantic coast. Here you can see in our table, okay, we have covered which all? We have covered Savannah, tropical, equatorial, monsoon, Mediterranean, Siberian, Arctic, steppes, okay, hot desert, China type and British type. So this steppes basically will be what? Extreme continental, okay, extreme continental, okay, this is very, very important. So Central Asia type is sometimes also called steppes. Is this clear, guys? Are you able to connect, guys? Are you able to connect? You can see here. Guys, are you able to see this? Okay, if you see the options, they have not mentioned steppes climate. They have mentioned Central Asian climate. Okay, so don't get confused. Okay, let me again go back. Guys. Okay, so you can see here, this is what? Steppes. Okay, then Eastern China, like this. Next, you can see another type of question, type 4. They will give this temperature and rainfall profile. They will give you this temperature and rainfall profile, and they will say which of the, okay, following the graph is indicative of. Which of the following this graph is indicative of. This is a new type of question. This was asked before 2010. UPSC stopped asking this question, but I think UPSC will again start asking this question. So how to prepare this? Guys, how to prepare this? You can prepare this using this. You can see in this book, they have given for every climate, they have given this bar. So using this, you can prepare that. Okay, for every chapter, they have given this bar and they have given this distribution. So please go through this and this of this GC Leong book. For every chapter, they have given this. Please use these. Again, I repeat, please use this. Particularly, you prepare for what? Savannah, equatorial, monsoon, okay, steppes. Okay, what else? Tundra. At least for the famous ones, you should prepare this temperature, rainfall profile also. Prepare this temperature, rainfall, and Mediterranean. Someone is saying yes, Mediterranean. Okay, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, at least for 6, you prepare this table also, and this also. Okay, guys. Again, you see another type of question. You can see they will give you table. Like this. Guys, they will give you table like this. Okay. Temperature and rainfall. And for every month, they will give you the table. And they will ask you which type of climate. Again, this also you will only get to know by reading this. Without reading this, it is impossible to answer the question. Okay, so please prepare this table and this table, and obviously you have to prepare the table which I will be giving to you. So you can see here again, UPSC has been asking like this. Okay, which of the following, okay, they will ask like this. You can see here temperature, okay, and rainfall. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? Which climate is this? Can anyone tell me? Which climate is this? So go through the table and get me the answer. Go through the table and get me the answer. Okay. So like this, you will get questions. Okay. You will get questions like this. Okay. No, sorry, it is not equatorial. Someone is saying equatorial. It is not equatorial. Sorry. Okay. It is not desert also. It is not desert also. Okay. This is also gone. It is not desert also. So either it will be monsoon time or it will be the China type. But if you see here, most of the rainfall is happening where? Most of the rainfall is happening where? June, July, August. What is the answer? Monsoon type. What is the answer? Monsoon type. What is the answer? Monsoon type. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear, guys? Are you getting this? Okay. So like this, UPSC will ask question. This will be more than enough. This will be more than enough to answer. You will get this video in the portal. You can go and you can watch the video. You can